How to remove YouTube recommendations on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to remove YouTube recommendations on phone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch YouTube app and make sure that you log into your account. Head to the profile icon at bottom right. Navigate to the gear icon at top right. And you need to scroll down and look for your data in YouTube option and select it. Now you will land on this browse or delete your YouTube activity page. Scroll down and you need to simply locate YouTube watch history and YouTube search history. On YouTube watch history, you can easily scroll down and tap on manage your YouTube watch history. Then select the delete option and here you can easily delete the YouTube history of any time range, suppose all time. And tap on delete icon at bottom right and tap on got it. Now you need to come back to YouTube and then refresh YouTube page once. And here you can see that we have successfully removed all the YouTube recommendations on phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.